Hey guys, welcome back to another video. A few days ago I did a video on Hurricane Beryl and the impact on the Caribbean, and in that one of those videos I spoke about St. Vincent and the Grenadines and the fact that a few years ago, throughout the eruption of the volcano in St. Vincent, that the Prime Minister Ralph Gonzalez, Prime Minister of St. Vincent and the Grenadines, made sure that for, I think it was 6 months, that anything that was coming into St. Vincent and the Grenadines could enter the country duty free. So like this video, I'm here with an update, and I'm happy to hear that effective July 1 to the end of December, that will be implemented again. So any loved ones from here in Canada, from the USA, from anywhere in the Caribbean that would like to assist with the recovery in St. Vincent and the Grenadines, to let them know that anything that you send to St. Vincent and the Grenadines, whether containers or barrels, it will get into St. Vincent and the Grenadines, and whoever is there to clear the barrel, they would not have to pay any duties on those essentials. So like toiletries, like food supplies, because right now the most important thing is not rebuilding. It's not the rebuilding process yet. It's just to make sure that people are able to get the basic essential needs, and that's phase one, and then recovery after. So in this video, I'm here to update you that in Canada, there's like a large Vincentian community in Toronto and in Montreal. And I'm going to leave some information on the screen right now of some fundraising that's going on. So if you are watching this video, you're part of the Vincentian community, but you had no idea that this is going on. The number that you're now seeing on the screen, you can call that number and you can make arrangement to drop off anything that you want to purchase, you know, toiletries, like food supplies, you know, like canned food, like rice, pasta, any of those stuff. You can just make arrangement with the number that you're seeing on the screen now, and you can call and make arrangement for drop off. I know in the past they will do pickup. So for example, like if you are a part of a church anywhere in Toronto or anywhere in Ontario, and you as a church group decide to do a fundraising, and you can get a couple of barrels together. I know that in the past they made arrangements for pickup, so that is some good news. So and St. Vincent is just the first. This information, you know, came out rapidly. I'm going to do another video updating. I'm going to check in with the JCA, Jamaican Canadian Association, to see what they are doing in terms of Jamaica and other Caribbean islands, because not just nationals from the islands that were affected, but in Toronto we have a large Caribbean community. You know, we are in summer now where the Caribbean community get really active during the summer. So I'm going to go around and I'm going to see what is going on, and I'll bring back further update. But the first update is that massive fundraising is going on right now for St. Vincent and the Grenadines. And this is phase one, just to get essential needs into the country for people who really need that help. So the numbers on the screen, as I said, you can pack barrels, you can pack containers, and the number that you see on the screen is for the shipping company that does the shipping to St. Vincent. And to add to that, on the 20th of July, this was already in the works. St. Vincent and the Grenadines have one of the largest picnic in North America. Every year, this month, during the summer, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, like people that live in the diaspora, whether it's in Toronto, in Montreal, they normally come together at Thousand Island to have like this massive picnic with thousands of people. Well, this year they're having the picnic. It's a new location. I'll put the location for the picnic on the screen also. and thousands of Vincentian and friends of St. Vincent and the Grenadines will be joining that massive picnic. And of course, the focus is going to be this year fundraising to help out with recovery for the people of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. So these are just a few updates of some of the stuff that is happening in Toronto in terms of St. Vincent and the Grenadines and helping out, our family, because we're one big Caribbean family, helping out our family, helping them to get back, because it is so unfortunate. A week ago I was doing videos talking about the 2020 and the eyes on St. Vincent and how things are. St. Vincent is in the spotlight now, and just to see this hurricane come and the damage that it caused, it's so like disheartening. But as someone who has been through quite a few hurricanes, and I know that as Caribbean nationals, we are resilient, we're strong. Just to see the attitude of some of the interviews that I saw from people in St. Vincent, from people in Carriacou, from people in Grenada, that they lost their house completely wiped away, but people were still able to have a smile on their face and know that, look, this is just like material stuff. We can build again, but we have life, and we're gonna give thanks for the life that we have. So that's the attitude of Caribbean people. We're a resilient people. Like whenever we're down, we always find a way to get back up. So I'm happy to announce this, that help is on the way from the diaspora to St. Vincent and the Grenadines, and that's an amazing thing. If you are watching this video and you are from the US or the UK or anywhere else, please leave in the comment section like any link, any website for any Caribbean association within those regions, whether it's in the USA. I know there's a large Vincentian community in New York also. Like, if you have the information, please leave that in the comment section, so that people who really want to contribute to this cause, they can find the information in the comment section, and they can do their research and make sure that whatever they're doing is going into the right hands. And as I said, I will update sometime this week on what's happening in the Jamaican community, and in terms of Carriacou also. And this is the time when all the Caribbean should come together, and I know the governments will do whatever they can. The governments in the Caribbean will do whatever they can in terms of supply for rebuilding, but for right now, in terms of just the basic necessities, we as Caribbean nationals need to do our part, because as I said, like, I've been through hurricanes before. I was recipient of Good Samaritan help back in the days, like in Gilbert and Ivan, when power was gone, and when people living overseas would have to send stuff. I was a recipient of those gifts. So now I'm in a position where I'm not there, and I can do whatever I can with my family and spread the word. That's what I'm going to do. So guys, again, leave in the comment section if you're any organization in the diaspora that's close to where you are, that you have information that they're fundraising and they're packing containers and barrels. Leave it in the comment section, and whoever is watching, they'll be able to see. If not, I'll go and do another video with the new information. So thanks again for like supporting the Caribbean. We are one big Caribbean, we're one big happy family. So just remember to like, share, and subscribe this video, and I will update you on more information about the Caribbean community. And remember, peace. I'm out.